Welcome to the Banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying power and placement. Check that the Infinity X1 is charged or fitted with 3 AAA batteries and that your outlet is live. Once done, plug the unit in and set the brightness to about 50% so you can monitor initial behavior. Make sure to position the sensor toward the main walking path, not directly at a lamp. This prevents false triggers and ensures even illumination. Now, test the manual on /off and confirm the LED indicator glows steady. You now configure modes and sensitivity so the X1 reacts correctly. First, choose auto if you want ambient control, manual for constant light, or nightlight for dim steady output. Auto uses the built-in light sensor to decide. Then, adjust motion sensitivity, low for pets, high for human traffic, and pick duration between 30 seconds and 10 minutes so it won't drain power. Finally, calibrate the ambient threshold by testing in the dark and bright conditions. This prevents triggers during dusk. You finish by securing the X1 at 3 to 4 feet height and angling it to cover the 120-degree path you want lit. This provides optimal motion detection. Once mounted, run a full 24-hour simulation of a power outage to observe auto mode and backup battery handoff, and note runtime. If things go wrong, no light or intermittent behavior. Check battery polarity, perform a factory reset, and ensure the sensor lens is clean and uncovered, because dust or obstructions are the most common causes of failure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.